Just a quick heads up. There's another book available, Principles of Business, multiple choice questions. So this booklet now contains all of the May-June papers for the last 5 years. So that's 2020, 2021, 2022, 3, 4, and 2025. So make sure you jump on and get this book. It has all the papers in one convenient location, already typed out and everything. And then there's also the solutions at the back of the book, and then there's a link to the videos you can watch on the YouTube channel. All right, so how do we access this book? Very simple, very straightforward. You just go on any video on Learn SKN, look in the description, and you'll see the link. You click on the link right here, takes you straight to the book, and you can purchase the book here for $10. Right, so try that. You click buy, you use PayPal, and you get the book. All right, support the channel.